two puppies.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. I appreciate you coming back, liking, commenting, and subscribing. But I would also appreciate if you guys can tell me why is it that females cannot make up their minds. Here's a very short story. So earlier today, he says to me, oh, I want to go to Taco Tuesday. So I'm like, okay, cool. Are you taking me? She's
No, Steven, you were the one. Steven, you were the one who says if I'm carrying you to Taco Tuesdays.
Okay, that is true. So I go, yeah, are you gonna take me? And she's like, okay, yeah, sure. Okay, so we probably had like an hour and a half before, you know, we could make up our minds on everything. Now I come pick Fiona up, and she's saying to me now, I don't feel for tacos. This is my dilemma. Somebody please help me. So now we're literally parked up in front of someone's home so that we can deliberate and decide exactly where we'll be going tonight. So whenever we figure that out, maybe by sunset or sunrise, I'll let you guys know. Keep the link. So after a very long wait, we have decided that we're going to Macau, but there's a great possibility that on the way there minds might change. Alright, so I'll see you guys there. Hopefully that's where we decide to go to. And I mean, we just want to get something to eat, like nothing really expensive, because Macau, it's not expensive, but for a Tuesday night, it's a little bit pricey, but we're just going to go there and try to get something to eat. So, as I said, we'll show you, and I'll see you then, guys. So, as I was expecting, guys, the whole plan changed. So, we didn't go to Macau, or we're not at Macau at the moment. We're going to Jojo's, which is a jerk pit type of center place. I've never been here before, but she's been talking about it. She's never been either, but we want to go, and that's where we'll be heading to. And as usual, we got stuck at an intersection. If you know, was asking me, oh, there goes Jojo's over there. So I'm like, okay, do you want to go? Because as you guys might realize, I'm very chill. Like, I'll go pretty much anywhere. You know, once it's fun, I'll go there. If I make a decision to go somewhere, you know, I'm very steadfast on it, but usually I'm just really go with the flow. So I'm like, if you want to go, go. No, you choose, bruh. But anyway, we're at this place. I'm about to show you what it's like here. And all right. Hi Sandy. Yeah, we're dining. Somewhere. Yeah, for two, please. Somewhere that's kind of chill, like, yeah. I think we'll go for that one. Which one? That one? Yeah. Alright, nice and cushy for my butt.
Welcome, I'm Sandy Nosi.
Hi Sandy.
There you are. Get one up.
Alright, no problem. You happy? Are you happy? Are you good?
Should be good. She's looking nice.
Thank you.
Alright, so You said you were feeling for soup. There's soup.
I think you said no soup.
Oh, no soup is there? Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. There are no lobster from the grill. They can have curry lobster.
Curry lobster?
You said
Yeah.
no soup, right?
No soup and no fish either.
Okay, so
And no bread.
no bread.
No mushroom. Yeah.
Okay, we'll take a look at the menu. This is the best thing to see on any menu. All prices include GCT, which is General Consumption Tax. The reason why I like that, whenever I order something, I don't want to be thinking about like, yo, whatever the percentage is to add up. Yo, tell me the price straight up. Easy me so I can check my little piggy bank and know what I go on. I like that.
So I'd like daiquiri, strawberry daiquiri, strawberry banana daiquiri.
Strawberry banana.
And for me, I want the
Mint
cheap.
rum or virgin? Virgin banana.
For me,
What's your name?
Fiona.
Hey, pretty Fiona.
I got that.
Until I'm working so you can get pretty pictures.
No. You're funny. For me, I want the mojito strawberry. Is it a mojito strawberry or just?
I'm not sure about mojito, you know, because a mint that used for the mojito is
They
there
don't have
no
it.
mint.
Yeah.
I can't get a mojito. I'll go up there and ask the bartender. Right over.
Okay. If not, give me the martini sour apple.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, does that come with the chocolate? The sour apple.
It's separate, different flavor.
No man, you have chocolate martini.
Guys, our waitress asked for Fiona's name. She never asked me. She asked nothing about me. Not one thing. What is happening? Somebody please. Am I not a person? Do I not exist? This is kind of cool though. She's really nice of her. Very interactive, very friendly, very funny, which I really like. So I think so far if you guys come to JoJo's, you'll definitely like the customer service, especially if you get her. I'll ask her for her name, Sandy. Sandy like Sandy from SpongeBob. So you can. And as Fiona rightfully said, Fiona from Shrek. But that'll make me Shrek. Yo! But yeah, not them thing there. Like right now, I'm having some really tight shoes, and trust me, I feel like I can hardly breathe. Everybody listen to this. She said, what are we getting for dessert? Repeat.
What are we getting for dessert?
Oh my god, look at that. Got a sweet tooth on you. Whoop, whoop. Very nice. Listen to me, because remember guys, she's taking me out today and she's asking about dessert. What? But what are the options for dessert? Let me just show you guys as well, because I know you guys, I know kind of want notes, right? So for dessert they have sundae, devil's advocate, drunk and hot, and you guys can read so you can see. But for me, I'm definitely a cheesecake person, but I'm not settled on that. I'll take some time out to read. Maybe we can get something to share, maybe like a good old fashioned banana split, maybe. I don't think I've ever really had a banana split, but we'll check and see what's up. So like at the moment right now, like I'm really happy that we chose here over going to Macau, because I've been to Macau before and it's always Exactly, and that's the journey that, you know, this whole vlog is about. Trying new places, doing different things, you know, actually trying to live more. The one thing that I will not do though, I will not try new things on a menu. You know what I'm talking about, guys. You go to a Chinese. Oh.
Are you not ready yet?
Yeah, we're ready.
Hey.
Hey.
Sandy and Jojo.
Yeah, I already gave him good recommendations about Sandy.
Thank you.
Really good. Sandy, for me, I want the curried lobster. So that's available, right?
Yes, and curry lobster has a tantalizing taste, I must say.
Of course, tantalizing, so I want that.
Is your jerk chicken burger good?
Yes, it is. What do you have in your lobster?
With the lobster?
It goes well with mashed potatoes.
That's what I want then.
Alright. He makes a good choice.
Yes, exactly.
Which one is better, the hamburger or the jerk chicken burger?
Darling, I had all of them. It's just what you feel for. Honestly, the meals here are great. So just go ahead and try some darling.
Okay, I'll go with the jerk chicken burger.
Alright. And your drink is coming up shortly.
Alright, thank you.
Would you like me to leave one for you?
Nah, I think you can take it. Well, yeah, leave one for the dessert.
Sure.
Thank you, Sandy.
For dessert, we have cheesecake and Dunkin' Hot bread pudding.
Alright, cool. So we just got our options just now for dessert, and as you can see, I wasn't lying, guys. Like, Sandy's really personable. Like, from she came to the table, like, she had no problems even wanting to be filmed, because I wasn't trying to put her on the camera, because, you know, some persons are very skeptical about that. But she was pretty cool with it, and, you know, that's really great customer service for me. You know, being interactive with the customers, because you know that that's what they're doing. You're part of the table, you know? Yeah. Give us a foxy smile.
Banana daiquiri, of course, which she's going to love.
Yeah.
Let's take it. You're welcome.
Look at that smile.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome.
Alright. So as you can see,
Enjoy your drink.
thank you, Sandy. Here you guys can see the martini. Woo! Martini sour, very beautiful. Look at that. Well presented, I like that. And we have, what's this?
Strawberry banana.
Strawberry banana daiquiri. Beautiful. What I forgot to ask is that you knew that I want my martini shaken, not stirred. Trying to multitask and I spilled my martini. What if I can't lick it up? Look at that face. Thank you. You know what I think happened, guys? If you want to ask if someone it, because she beggy, she's a watch it. She's a watch the martini just turn over. Just a watch it ready like rough.
It tastes like Smirnoff green apple vodka.
Yeah, it's pretty good. What's my review on it? I think it's really good. I enjoyed it. I'm not like a liquor connoisseur, but it's pretty good. But I think I would have preferred to go with Fiona's because it's a bit more healthy. But yeah.
Can I get your knife?
Yeah, bro. Alright guys, so I just got the curried lobster, as you guys can see. Ooh, looks really good, right? Look at that. And I got some mountains of mashed potatoes, looking almost like boobies or something like that. And ooh, jerk chicken burger with French fries. Ah, thank you, thank you. Look at that face. Greedy. And I got my other drink, which I'm happy for. And yeah, so I'm about to begin.
This is bomb.
You like it?
Love it.
Nice. Oh guys, this curry tastes like it comes right out of India. Oh, I can't.
Let me taste.
Oh my god. Really good. Really good. I feel like I can play some cricket. Guys, you're gonna fries look like a murder scene. Why? Why have to kill the fries them? Look at that. Murder! Crime scene. Really good. How was it? I don't know how that big burger that fit in that small stomach was. It's something like just like breadcrumbs.
No,
It's like
brownie.
chunks, like chunks of brownie.
Right.
I definitely want that.
Definitely. You know it has a peeling look. So
Oh, this?
yes, that's it.
I want to give us a
Of course.
Can I get 2 spoons of that?
Sure.
It's
a video, right?
Yeah.
I don't let that post. Can I get another post, please? You got punked.
Let that pose. Ready? Hey.
You can press the button at the same time.
There you are.
Ooh. Hey, thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome.
Nice. So guys, remember when I specifically asked if the brownies is going to be like brownie dust, like breadcrumbs, and dust. Like I thought I was gonna get like brownie chunks in there, like bread. There's no chunks, just crumbs. What is this? So we definitely asked about the crumbles, so now we actually have like chunks to go inside of it, because before it was just dust, like fairy dust, dash. Now we have a lot more, right? Yeah. Then what night?
Right here at JoJo's, this come on a Thursday night. It's popping on a Thursday. Karaoke, rock till 2 a.m. in the morning.
Alright.
Shower, you better come sing. Alright.
Oh my.